ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
After the meeting was over,
President Jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Uba Vincent H. Pala ula keno baka sorkar jela kalabatha ya katanat pulit ban kem tang ya kinong karsyan Jongka Seng Congress hadien bakalami kajing yesyo ya dat hapdeng kinong karsyan Jongka Seng Congress bat kinong karsyan Jongka National People's Party hakasingi balang Jongka Arpu Pratarik Benai Risau Arjar Arpuway kabalaja hakasinong Garudubi kabadang habapo ke Raja Bala constituency kajing yesyo ya dat hapdeng kini ki arliang mamla kalaja hadien bala kut ki kentaya lap election bala bu da katanat penyai election habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor uba Vincent Pala ulaya tu bagi nong trei Jongka Party Congress kila pentip syau halor kini kejingja hakaba lakam bagi nong kersyan Jongka Seng NPP kila kawang mau ya ki nong kersyan Jongka Seng Congress katba kidang wan pai na kejing yalang yalap election ula kenok baka sorkar jela bala yalam da ka NPP kala pha kem penbantang ya ki nong kersyan Jongka Seng Congress bat pelaj penban ya ki nong kersyan la jong ki balasdang ya kani kejing kawang mau Hakabai day berkini ke jingja, Kaseng Congress kala ujor ejahar mardor syaki pulit bat syau Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela uba Frederick Roy Karkongor man penlong ya ke jingtokit ke babnia halor kini ke jingja.
there was a meeting of the Congress. After the meeting was over, I think some of the rival candidates, they threw stone on our party when they coming back. So many of them got injured. So naturally when the crowd was there, so our people will start retaliating. So the problems now is that what the present government is doing is they only arrest the Congress workers. They did not arrest those people who started the pelting of stones on our people. So we already lodged an FIR from our side, and they also, I think, they have lodged a counter FIR from their side. So I'll be, after this press briefing, I'll be talking to the Deputy Commissioner as well as to the SP. And I was trying to reach to Karkongor also, so that I can tell him whatever action should be taken for both sides, not in the one side. So because they'll try to scare our people so that they'll not do it. So this was planned, and might be the government knows that, especially NPP knows that the Congress is strong, so they are trying to find ways and means how to stop the people, how to threaten the people. So we are going to counter that. No, the stone was started by, while coming back, there was from somebody's house, stone was pelted from some areas, on our workers when they come back. So it is not started by us.